let's talk about for loop. For loop is executed a fixed number of times. So in comparison with while loop, then there we had a condition. So when the condition is met, then the body of the loop is executed. Here we have fixed number of times we want to repeat our code. And we use sequence for looping. And for every step, we take one element from this sequence, and this is stored in a variable which can be used inside the loop. And if the sequence is over, so there is not anymore, if there are no elements anymore, we end the loop. And here is an example. And let's draw how it works. So this is our program, we get into the loop. So the first thing we check is whether there are any more elements. More elements. So basically this is a condition. We check whether there are more elements. If there are, we take the element. Usually it's in our example, this is take element. This is one part of the code, and now we execute the body. So this is the main part of the loop. This taking element is actually the line for the for loop. So it's for element in sequence. So in current example, the element is the variable where we store this element. So first we come in, we take the first element and so on. And then if the body is executed, we go back to this condition. Let's say this is true if there are more elements, and if it's false, then the loop is ended. And in our example, we have a list. We have a list of 0, 1, 2, 3. And we go into the loop. What happens is that in this line, we first see whether there are more elements. Basically what happens is that the program knows where we are, what is the current index we are looking in this sequence. So in current list, we take the first element. So it knows that there is an element, and we store this value into our element variable. And now I can use the variable inside my loop. Currently, I'm just printing it out. So I come in, the element is 0, I print it out. So let's say print out 0. Then I will go here, whether there are more elements. It checks, yeah, there is another element here. And now the element is 1. It executes the body, prints out 1, and goes into the loop header again. Now it moves here. We get 2. It will be printed out, and we take another element which exists. We get it here, so the element value will become 3, and now we print it out. And we go here. Now it wants to take the next element, but because there are no more elements, we end the loop and we go here and we execute the code which comes after the loop.